In this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to copy TradingView indicator scripts. So the first thing you need to do is, assuming you want to add an indicator to your chart, so you first of all go to the top right corner and select the indicator. After I select the indicator, you will now choose any specific indicator that you want to add to your chart. Let's assume I want to add Fib retracement, that is Fibonacci retracement. Now I'm going to search for it now and then add it to my extension. After adding it, as you can see, here is it. So assuming you want to edit this, now just click on the indicator, click on it, then you add the left hand side. You are going to see a popping indication where you can see the settings, the delete, and so you are going to click on this source code. So after I click on the source code, as you can see, you can't edit anything here. As you can see, it can be edited. So for you to edit it, you have to click on this to edit, then click on it, create a working copy. Just after I click on it, it will show that you can edit it. As you can see, I can delete this this taking and then take it back. Then so this way you are going to edit anything that you want to edit. Probably you don't like the number of the fib retracement, so you want to edit it to your own specification. Then after you edit it, then you can go back to this on script title, click on save script. After I click on save script, probably let me save it as fib retracement 1. So after I click on save, for you to add it to the chart, you just click on this add to chart. And the reason why is because I've add more than 2, but if you haven't add more than 2 and you are using free, it will automatically add to your chart. And that's it. Hope this was helpful. Please kindly like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.